This is what I do when I get bored. Got something for you. Chicken head. Bald head scallywag, ain't got no edges. Hood chick, bottom bitch. She sucking dick, wanna come around me, tryna be in my business. Come to my side of town and you ain't got no dividends. Take your raggedy ass back to the alley. You fucking for a hot meal, a bag, and a drink. You ain't got a pot or a kettle to put piss in. Talking about you grown and your pussy stank. I'm trying to understand what's going on when you look in the mirror. Homegirl came dressed with us, say she be on fleek. Come out in the summertime, damn, look at her feet. She looking washed up, trying to compete, but I don't see no competition cause I don't speak cheap. I got money over here where I'm blowing. I don't fuck around, I don't mess with clowns. Chirp, bird, bird, that is the sound. Shout out to all you chicken heads out there. Much love. With a penny and a hole in it. Later.